Feixiang Roll Forming Machinery is a China manufacturer of metal steel cold roll forming machines, bending machines, cutting machines, and slitting machines. It is a division of its parent company, Xingbo International. Feixiang was founded in 1997 and is the oldest roll forming machine maker around today in the north of China. Its history includes the first double-layer color steel roll forming machine, the first high-speed interchangeable CU keel roll forming machine, the first gear drive with water cooling cable tray roll forming machine created by Mr. Fu in 2005. In 2013, they first successfully developed high-speed rotary punching machine, which high speed could be 100 meters per minute, makes the company got government recognition. The company marketed overseas its first roll forming machine in 2006 and established relations of cooperation with customers from over 80 countries all around the world. Feixiang has built up a reputation for designing high-quality, high-speed, safe and cost-effective cold forming and bending equipments. They have become a status symbol for high productive capacity and the safe and easy operate. The company is synonymous with technical and has been involved with several famous international exhibitions since 2008. Feixiang says keeping customers satisfied is at the heart of Feixiang Roll Forming Machinery customer care philosophy.